Degree Mathematics, and our topic today is variation. So welcome. So let us look at what we call direct variation. Learn. When we say that two quantities vary directly, what do we mean by that? We mean that when one quantity increases, the other one also increases. So both of them increase at the same rate. Or when one quantity decreases, the other one also decreases at the same rate. So that is what we call direct variation. They either increase at the same rate or decrease, both of them at the same rate. So the first example here, learn. Y varies directly as x. When y is 48, x is 8. So question, find the equation connecting y and x. B, find y when x is 5. So how do you go about that? You go and start with the first sentence. Y varies directly as x. How do you write that in short? So you come and write y. You put a proportionality sign here, that symbol. We call it proportionality sign, or it just shows that they are varying, they are changing. So y proportionality sign, then you write your x on this side. Look at that. Y proportionality sign, and then the other quantity on this side. The second step, learner, is to introduce an equal to here. Replace your proportionality sign with equal to. So you write y is equal to. Once you replace with equal to, learner, you introduce what we call k here, and let it multiply this other quantity. So k times x gives us kx. This sign here, or this letter here, is called a proportionality. This one is called a proportionality constant. A proportionality constant, k. So I repeat, learner. Once you introduce this symbol here, the second step is to replace it with equal to. And once you replace it with equal to, you multiply this side by k. Good. So from there, learner, put this in mind. From there, learner, we go to the second sentence. When y is 48, x is 8. Come and substitute. 48 is equals to k times 8. Yes? So this gives us what? K times, so this is 48 is equals to 8k. And therefore, divide by 8, divide by 8. So k is equals to 6. After getting your proportionality constant k as 6, come and fix it here. Once you fix it here, learner, we call that equation a connecting equation. The equation that connects y to x. And therefore, we write what we call the connecting equation. The connecting equation, therefore, will be y is equals to, your k is 6, and then x. So that is your connecting equation. From there, learner, part 2, you are asked, find y when x is 5. Find y when x is 5. You just come in, replace x with 5 here. So part B. So the connecting equation is that you come and substitute x with 5 there, and therefore your y is equal to 6 times 5, which is that. And that is your answer. Good. We go to the next type of variation. So learn, the second type of variation is called inverse variation. Inverse variation. When you say that two quantities are varying inversely, what do we mean by that? Learn, that means that when one quantity is increasing, the other one is decreasing, but at the same rate. Or vice versa. When one decreases, the other one is increasing, at the same rate. Therefore, let us look at this example. P varies inversely as Q. When P is 20, Q is 2. Find the equation connecting P and Q, and part B, find P when Q is 8. We go to the first sentence. How do we write it in short? P varies inversely as Q. You come and write your P. Yes. You put the proportionality sign. Yes. Then, when it is inverse, learn. When it is inverse, this other side, you write it as a fraction 1 over the quantity on this other side. Note that. When it is inverse variation, this side you write it as 1 over the quantity, the second quantity. Good. 1 over the second quantity. From there, learner, you introduce equal to here, just like we did in direct variation. So P is equals to what? Once you introduce equal to, you then write your K there, multiplying 1 over Q. Yes? So P therefore is equals to K over Q. K over Q. Note that, man. K over Q. So, we now go to the second sentence. When P is 20, Q is 2. You come and substitute. When P is 20, 20 will be equal to K over Q, which is you have 2. What is K therefore? Cross multiply. K is equals to 40. K is equals to 40. After getting your K, learner, just like we did in direct variation, take your K to this equation here. And we get what we call the connecting equation. The connecting equation. You get the connecting equation. And therefore, you will write, here, P is equals to K, which is 40, over Q, 40 over Q. That is the connecting equation. We go to part B. Part B. Find P when Q is 8. Find P when Q is 8. So, with the connecting equation, you will be able to get this. That is our connecting equation. So, what is P when Q is 8? You come and put 8 there. And so, learner, P is equals to what? 40 over 8 gives us 5. And that is our answer. So, good, learner. Thank you very much for listening to me. Go and practice a lot to do it. Direct variation and inverse variation. God bless you.